Skip the expensive spa treatments with this all-natural deep clean that you can do right from your home for smooth skin that glows from within. Preparing your skin by cleansing it is an essential first step for any facial. Make sure to prep with a cleanser like Pear's Pure and Gentle Bathing Bar that has been specially formulated to gently cleanse your face without drying it out. The glycerin in it leaves you with supple, hydrated skin that's ready to absorb the treatments to follow. Lathered onto your face in soft circular motions, making sure to avoid any rubbing or tugging and get one step closer to flawless skin. Take a bowl of hot water and add in 5 drops of lavender essential oil. The hot water will help soften your skin, and the lavender will not only soothe any irritated skin, but its scent will calm your mind as well. Dip a towel in, wring out any excess water, and then drape the towel over your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Breathe in the aroma of lavender and allow the heat to envelop you, leaving you with naturally flushed skin that's ready to be deep cleaned. Mix together 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti with 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of honey. The Multani Mitti and charcoal pull out excess oil and dirt from deep in your pores, getting rid of acne. The apple cider vinegar improves the pH level of your skin, and honey balances and hydrates it. Apply this mask all over your face for 5 to 10 minutes for a blemish-free complexion and fewer breakouts in the future too. Start with half a cup of brewed green tea and pour in a quarter cup of witch hazel. Green tea prevents premature aging, and witch hazel tightens your pores and firms your skin. Use this as a toner by spraying it onto your face and gently patting it in to help absorption, leaving you with a fresh, dewy glow. End your routine by applying a generous layer of aloe vera gel onto your skin as a nourishing moisturizer. As it gets absorbed, it will gently hydrate and lock in moisture for radiant skin without any greasiness. We hope you give this all-natural facial a try for flawless skin with a healthy glow. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.